how to turn on flashlight by tapping on the back of your Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn on flashlight by tapping on the back of your Android. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Want a cool way to activate your Android's flashlight? By simply tapping on the back of your phone. Simply, you have to install a gesture app. To enable this feature, you will need a third-party app that allows back tap gestures. A popular option is TapTap. Simply, it is available as an APK download. You can download and install TapTap from a trusted APK site like APK Mirror. And then after installation, you can follow the setup instruction. And then you have to go to the app, go to Actions and tap Add Action. Then you have to select the flashlight from the list of available actions. And once you do that, you can adjust the sensitivity to suit your tapping style so it accurately detects when you tap on the back. By following all the steps, you can simply turn on flashlight on Android by tapping on the back. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.